Hello, I'm Marlin Carter, and I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about what I'm involved with. I'm involved with this marketing system called Power Lead System, and Power Lead System is doing great things for me. I've been promoting online for a while now, and I've been looking, and I'm always looking for ways to promote my primary business. And now I have found that through Power Lead System. Now in Power Lead System, you get follow-up messages, autoresponder messages that are sent out to your subscribers as they come in, your leads as they come in. You create capture pages with this system, whereas people fill out their information to get more information about your company or your program or whatever you are advertising online. And with the Power Lead system, you can make a page for whatever you desire to promote online. Now, I just want to show you a little bit about this Power Lead system. This is my back office right here, and I'm just going to go through the web pages, and I'm going to create a web page right quick so that you can see how powerful this is. And we're going to go here, and my domain is Market with Marlin. So I'm going to just copy a page right quick. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Because that's going to take up a little bit more, too much of my time right now. I'm gonna just put in my domain and become a free lead system member forever. Then I just go down. If I'm promoting the free lead system, I could just choose one of these templates. Let's choose this one right here. Of course, you can put in your own primary. You can promote your primary business with the free lead system program as well when you get ready to make a web page for yourself. You can promote just the free lead system capture page, or you could put in your own primary business and promote it, and your autoresponders will go out and start promoting excuse me excuse me, your primary business with the free lead system. Let's choose this one now. These dots right here say use this one, and that would be for the name and email address. This one would be only for email. Let's choose this one right here. This is a good one. Let's use this one with without the phone number. Boom. Then we're going to save my choice, and then it has been successfully set up and complete. Congratulations, you have successfully set up Market with Marlin. Since this is my domain already, we're going to show you that page right here. But anyway, this is what I do every day. I just love playing around with these promotional tools. You get your training. You get this is where your contacts. I want you to see my contacts. I got over 900. I got about 950 contacts since I've started. 950 leads, and every day my autoresponders with the Power Lead system is working on my behalf. Okay, so if you want more information about this Power Lead system, if you are convinced that there is a system that works for you while you sleep or while you're on your job, you got messages going out automatically. If you convinced that there is a system like that, then you have found it with the Power Lead system. To get more information, go down to the bottom of this video and click on the link that I'm going to provide for you. So You do that, and I will be your sponsor. I'm here to help you. You can give me a call anytime. If I'm not available, I will get back with you. Click on the link below, and we'll talk to you soon. My name is Marlin Carter, out of Dallas, Texas. Bye bye.